You guys, my wildflowers and wild horses collection came in, and I'm so in love. Now, first of all, I had a bunch of orders to place, and I forgot to order my own wax. How did I do? I just now ordered it, so I don't have the wax, but okay, what should I start with? There's so much. All right, we're going to start with this one. How pretty is she? This one's called Boot Scootin', and she's stunning. I mean, come on. Look at how beautiful she is. You guys, I'm so in love. I might have to buy another one. Now, this one's an element warmer, which means it doesn't use a light bulb to heat the wax. It uses a heating element. So this one is actually perfect for your bedroom. That way you can sleep with it on. The same goes for roping and riding. There's no light bulb. It's just a heating element. But look at the belt buckle. You guys, it looks like a tooled belt. It is so stunning. Look at the detail on that. Oh my gosh, you guys. And this one, again, is perfect for your bedroom because it does not have a light. So these are still available. The next one is Cattle Call, and I love this warmer. I am so excited. Now, it comes with a plug-in for the wall. Another thing you can do is you can purchase separately a tabletop base, which I have, but you got to make sure you get the one for glass. And this way I can actually show it to you turned on. So let's check it out. You guys ready? 1, 2, and 3. I mean, absolutely stunning, right? I love this one. Perfect for a bathroom, for a place where you just want a little bit of light. I love this one. The next thing I got for you is the Kick Up the Dust Scentsy Buddy Clip. And this is scented with Saddle Up. This is perfect for a backpack, a diaper bag. I'm going to hang mine from my rear view mirror. Like, look at how stinking cute that is. And it's already pre-scented with Saddle Up. It smells amazing. How stinking cute. Next thing we got is the Whiskey River Scent Circle. And it says Giddy Up on it. I want to smell it. And then I'm going to put it directly in my car. So this is what it looks like. On the back it says Scentsy. And it smells incredible. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. So that's it. That's a Wildflowers and Wild Horses collection. It is fantastic. The only thing I'm missing is my bars because I didn't order my own bars. But it's a 5-pack. You could actually go to the link in my description of the video or the bio, wherever you're watching this, and just look up Wildflowers and Wild Horses collection, and there's a direct link to purchase. You guys, these are available only while supplies last. So if you saw something you wanted, you better grab it now.